Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to put your Facebook profile public. Start by opening your Facebook application or website. Locate the menu icon, usually 3 horizontal lines, and tap or click it. From there, scroll down and select Settings and Privacy, then Settings. This is your central hub for managing how your information is shared. We'll walk through each step to ensure your profile is visible exactly as you intend. Now let's focus on your posts. In the privacy settings, find who can see your future posts, and select Public. This makes all new content visible to everyone. For older posts, use the Limit Past Posts option. This tool allows you to change the audience of all previous posts from friends of friends or friends to public with just one click. Next, we'll adjust your profile information. Go to your profile and click Edit Details. Here, you can individually set the audience for each piece of information, such as your work, education, or contact details. For maximum public visibility, select Public for each item. Remember, you have complete control over what information is shared with the wider Facebook community. Before concluding, take a moment to review your profile from a public perspective. Facebook offers a View As feature, allowing you to see how your profile appears to someone who isn't your friend. This is a crucial step to confirm everything is set as intended. Once satisfied, all your changes are automatically saved, making your Facebook profile publicly accessible.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.